This is the telco of the future. And to try to understand what's going on and what's going to happen, please let me hand it over to Chema and Christian.
Well, this is the third event in which we are talking about our digital transformation based on the vision of the Ford platform. As we've been sharing with you, the Ford platform is the core project for Telefónica to be a data-driven company, and it wasn't an easy path. At the beginning, the Ford platform was just that, an analogic draw our president did to all of us. I must say that first time I saw it, I really thought he was joking. Doing that meant a huge amount of work. But I added Aura on top of that and looked for the best partner. If we were going to do an artificial intelligence inside Telefónica, we could foresee a lot of work ahead, and better to have the right partners. Today, the Ford platform is working and growing in the 7 countries in which we deployed so far. But back in 2016, it was only 100 kilobytes, the size of a picture. I really love both pictures. First one, because it's our president showing us the path. The second one, because it's about myself trying to convince Mr. Nadella in Microsoft offices at Redmond to invest and to help us to do Aura. And at that time, the only thing that we have was this wonderful picture. Today, the Ford platform is normalizing and storing data for 178 million of data in the personal data space. It standardized actions for more than 34 API families to create technology, and it supports more than 30 different solutions. And just to understand what is a solution for us, Aura is only one of them. The rest are internal use cases like the network planning or business opportunity like smart marketing or device recommender. Now, the Ford platform supports 120 million operations per month, which means it has become a new platform to deploy or integrate digital services into Telefónica. This is how the Ford platform looked like in last year's event. Actually, this is the last slide we shared with you in last year. In it, you can see different pieces of the Ford platform. Data is generated in the first, second, and third platform. It goes to the personal data spaces in the Ford platform where the data is stored and processed to generate insights. Customers can do action into Telefónica using Aura with cognitive services through different channels, and we were integrating other partners to expand the data control and the experiences our customers can enjoy. But this finished slide wasn't a full stop. In the end, it wasn't the beginning of a new year working in the growth of our strategy. And having the Ford platform in the core on all channels connected to it allows us to put Aura in all the channels that we have in Telefónica. So today, in Telefónica, our customers can interact with us using different channels like mobile apps, website, contact center, etc. And of course, just talking to our cognitive intelligence Aura. Aura is alive in 6 countries. Is accessible through more than 30 different channels. It supports around 1,000 use cases, and is the preferred method to be used by 2 million customers per month, which is something that is growing day by day. And one of the countries that is more developed in terms of Aura is Brazil. And today we have Christian Guevara, COO of Vivo, which is talking about the project there. Christian?
Thank you, Chema. Good afternoon. So before talking about Aura in Brazil, let's put Vivo in context. Vivo, we are proud to say that Vivo is the Brazilian telco market leader with more than 100 million customers, 10 billion euros in revenues. And also Vivo has driven the deployment of infrastructure in Brazil. If the fixed, we have more than 9 million home passed. In mobile, we have more than 95% of the population coverage with 3G, 4G, and 4.5G. We are also the leader in market share in postpaid, 41%, and the 9th most valuable and recognized brand among all sectors in the Brazilian market. Beyond that, we are also proud to say that in Vivo, we have built, I think, the best platform of big data and artificial intelligence. So Jose Maria and Chema talked about the 4 platforms. We have the 1, 2, 3 very strong at Vivo, and we built the fourth one. And here now we have Microsoft as our key partner. So everything was developed together with Microsoft and the Azure ecosystem, coming from cognitive services, big data analytics, and DevOps. So that's what we called Aura for Brazil. And before I start giving some real examples, I will show you the marketing campaign that we massively broadcasted in all Brazilian key media channels, where we presented to our customer what is Aura. No, Aura is Vivo's artificial intelligence. We raised awareness, we made it tangible, we made it real. So I'm going to show you the video.
Olá, eu sou a Aura. Posso te ajudar?
Let yourself go, make it your own. Let yourself go.
Tudo fica mais fácil com uma tecnologia mais inteligente por perto. Chegou a Aura, a inteligência artificial da Vivo.
So Aura is making our customer experience more humanized, more personalized, in real-time interactions. Now we already have more than 20 channels. All our digital channels, we have Aura already present. So coming from our app, Meu Vivo, our main digital channel, call center, we have the social networks agreement also to have Aura there. We have our stores, technical support, our back office, everything has Aura behind it. It's last year, I was here also presenting Aura, the launch of Aura in Brazil. From that day to today, more than 20 million interactions with our customers with Aura. Today, we're going to focus on 3 examples, the Meu Vivo, our e-care app, the call center, and the social network. So this is Meu Vivo. Last time I presented in more detail. We raised the number of use cases. Today, we have a series of use cases, very personal, and again, interactive, humanized, and real-time with test and voice. So customer can call to check their data balance, data allowance, check the promotion that they have, check the plan that they have, support, ask for technical support, and many other cases. So that's the reality. We have 15 million unique users in Meu Vivo. So this is the main channel where we have Aura embedded. The last channel that we put Aura to work, and I think it's been with impressive results, is our call center. We receive millions of calls every month. We decided to focus first with the prepaid segment. It's the vast number of calls and customers. We selected some reasons of the customer calling us, so we got 21, 22% of call types, and we put Aura to answer. So it's like questions about promotion again, customers with problem connecting the internet, their balance, data balance, and data allowance, a series of that we have in screen. Well, the good answer here was that in few months, we expanded to the whole country. The calls handled by Aura got a retention of 70%. The customer hasn't recalled after the Aura got the call. And we got satisfaction of above 90%. That is a record also customer satisfaction. I have an example here of a real call. That's a prepaid customer calling, asking about the promotion that he has acquired, and Aura replied the full call. So we're going to have it in Portuguese. We have transcripts in English and in Portuguese. For those who understand Portuguese, you can see that the question was not easily phrased, and Aura was able to understand and overcome the initial difficulty. So let's have the call.
Olá, nós vamos continuar o seu atendimento por aqui. Como eu posso te ajudar?
Eu queria saber qual é a promoção que eu estou nela.
Você está cadastrado na promoção Vivo Pré-Turbo 1 GB de 15 dias e seus benefícios vencem terça-feira, dia 22. Para renovar sua promoção, você precisa ter saldo de recarga em sua linha. Quer saber quanto da sua promoção você ainda tem para usar?
Sim, quero sim.
Você tem 2 GB para usar. E seu Vivo Pré-Turbo vai renovar terça-feira, dia 22. Quer que eu te ajude com mais informações sobre isso?
Não, muito obrigado. Eu te agradeço. Muito obrigado, tá?
Obrigada por ligar para Vivo e bom dia.
So that's a good example of call center. Again, we have 22% of calls that prepaid customers call us already handled by Aura. We also, beyond our own channels, we're using also social network channels to use Aura. Have 3 examples here. Facebook Messenger, Google Assistant, and WhatsApp. In Facebook Messenger, Aura is also behind it, and so we give information about bill and about top-ups. In Google Assistant, you can access Aura through the Android home button. And in WhatsApp, you have 5 use cases, very relevant ones, that Aura is also behind it, with voice and text depend on the social network, and all the security parameters to work in different environments. And finally, to improve Aura's accuracy, that is our key objective, that the Aura can respond more and more. We create what we call bots training center. It's a group of call center agents and a team of linguistics that they listen to calls to improve Aura's library, to understand different accents, people coming from different regions, from different generation, from different level of education. So Aura is learning through this team, and the accuracy level, we could increase it in 9 percentage points in 2 months, and today is over 84%. So we believe that it's still the beginning of a longer journey, but we are very confident that's going to help us to be even more digital, more profitable, with a better customer experience and satisfaction. I will give it back to Chema.
Well, as you can see, Aura is a key element in our strategy, and we are going to be working hard this year. This year, Aura will be alive in 9 countries, used through more than 50 different channels with 1,500 use cases, counting on third-party use cases, as we are going to see right now, and we expect to achieve 120 million conversations this year, in 2019. Aura is a key element, and we are putting Aura alive in the core of our services. We are putting Aura alive in our customers' home. Telefonica is the main Telefonica is the main technology provider in many of the countries in which we operate. We are providing not only state-of-the-art devices, but also services that are in the house of our customers. And we are putting Aura in the core of these devices to integrate third-party service products and services. So right now, we have different kind of integration in our 4 platform. The 4 platform, we have integration with Netflix, which is based in the set-top box. We have an integration with Twitter and Iberia, which is based in Movistar Home. We have an integration with Facebook Safety Check, which is based in Aura, but we could go further. So we decided to create something that we call Living Apps, in which we are opening the 4 platforms to create with third party the right experiences that can be enjoyed at home. So we call this Living Apps, and let me explain what is this with some example. This first example is with Movistar Car. Movistar Car is one of the services that we provide from Telefonica. Users can control their vehicle from an app. It uses the power of IoT and cloud computing. But having this service integrated as a living app, users can receive alerts through Movistar Home, an SMS, or an app, and open the living app to control it from TV, just using the voice or the remote. This is one example of what we call the living apps. The idea is that every partner can select the right use case and use all devices and all services that we are providing to our customer to create a new set of experiences. The second example is smart Wi-Fi. We can have more or less the same experience. Smart Wi-Fi is the Wi-Fi management and security services that we are providing to our customers at home. Right now, they can control every device connected to the Wi-Fi network in a map and project it to the TV. Using voice, they can control every device, get information about mobiles connected to the Wi-Fi, and stop providing connectivity to them. This is a great feature if you want to have your kids in time to have dinner. Another example is Movistar Cloud or Telefonica Cloud. The idea is that in family, you can use this living app to share videos or pictures that are stored in Movistar Cloud to use the power of TV and enjoy it in a family environment. But this home as a computer ecosystem is open, and we are working with different partners to enrich the experiences our customers can enjoy at home. We don't want our partners to migrate their web apps or mobile applications to TV. We want them to select the right use cases that deserve to be enjoyed in the living room. So we've been working with some of them. For example, Atlético de Madrid. Atlético de Madrid is one of the best football teams in the world, and they have one of the most advanced and digitalized stadiums. And we've been working with them to create this living app in which a customer can open the living app in every moment. In this example, using Aura from the mobile. And using TV, supporters can get information and do action into the Atlético de Madrid. Information like when it's going to be the next football match, or in which channel is going to be aired, but also what is the estimated time to get to the stadium, or weather forecasting. An action like jolting the football pass. In that case, in the case that someone needs to do an action and we need an extra verification and a strong authentication of the people which is doing the action, we can leverage in another technology. In this example, Mobile Connect, which is a strong authentication using the SIM card. Another example is with El Corte Inglés. In this case, we've been working with them to have a second screen option. At any time, when customers are watching TV, they can receive special items to be bought. So using voice, at the same time that they are watching TV, they can add the object to the wish list, and after that, using the voice and the remote, they can decide to buy the items just using a QR code in Movistar Home and the El Corte Inglés mobile app. That simple. It's not a full web application migrated to TV or a full mobile application migrated to TV. It's just the right use cases. And the last one is one of my favorite. We've been working with Air Europa, and at any time that your flight is ready, you can receive an alert. That alert can get into your mobile phone through an SMS or through Movistar Home, and in that moment, open the living app, you can have a full check-in process, just answering questions, 3 questions, 4 questions from your living room, from your coach, and you finish your check-in process. After that, you receive the boarding pass, and it is going to be sent to your mobile app through email or through an SMS code. It's one of my favorite use cases. As you can see, having the 4 platform plus this home as a computer ecosystem to run Living As allows us to enrich our customers' life with new experiences. It's not about having the best devices digitalizing our customers' home. It's not about to develop the best services in Telefonica. It's not about integrating third-party services and products into the home of our customer. It's about doing everything thinking of people having seamless experiences at home. To finish, just let me share with you a new image. This is the 4 platform for 2019, an open platform that is created for making technology available to all of our customers in a seamless way. And now, I let you with Mr. President and Mr. Nadella that we have a lot of work to be done.